Hey guys, welcome to the Stu Sales Team's brand new listing, and I feel like I'm in Italy. Look at the grapes and this beautiful garden. I see some fresh basil for some pesto over there, and this backyard rocks. But you know what? I'm so excited to bring this house to market. This house is full of love. It's been in the same family for over 50 years. They've raised all their kids here. You can really feel the warmth when you come in. The great thing about this house is, you know what? You can move in and live in it, no problem. And it has so much potential because the kitchen's been done, the bathroom's been done. But you know what? If you want to do a new kitchen, yeah, down the road, do a new kitchen. But it has so many cool original features. It has gorgeous hardwood floors that could be finished and be beautiful. Etching glass doors, French doors. It's got all the wood trim, the wainscoting. Like, there's so much cool detail in this house. So you can live in it, enjoy it, do whatever you want, and then down the road, renovate it to your own taste. So we are in an awesome area here because you know what? The brand new light rail train station is right there. So once it gets up and running, and John Tory says it's gonna get done soon, it should be done soon, you're gonna have a direct line to the subway downtown. If you wanna jump on the Allen, you can get on the Allen to the 401. Yorkdale Mall, which is one of the biggest, busiest malls in the whole country, is there with restaurants, shops, theaters, so much around, so much to do. So look, go to StuSells.ca, see all the photos, the videos, virtual tour, and give me, Stu, a call for a personal showing.
His wishful kindness.